Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to remove stickers from your iPhone keyboard so you can type without distractions. Let's get started. First, open any app where you can type, like messages or notes to bring up the keyboard. Then, if the stickers appear above your keyboard, tap and hold any sticker that you want to remove, and you'll see an option to delete it. And next, you can go to the settings and click General and then tap the keyboard and click the text replacement. Here, check if any sticker shortcut exists and swipe left to delete them. And if you use a third-party keyboard like Gboard or SwiftKey, open its app settings and look for sticker or emoji settings, then turn off sticker suggestions or remove saved stickers. And that's it. Your keyboard should now be free of unwanted stickers. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.